Hi guys, sorry for the bad audio, but I'm with my laptop, so it's not that great. So in this video I want to just show you how to correctly update your CPP pedal Lite at the next software and firmware version. So the first thing you need to do is check if you have the correct Conspit version for the updates, that is 2.0.9. Now, if you don't know where to download it, don't worry, there are the link down in the description, but you basically go on Conspit and in the download section you're gonna to find in the driver section the Conspit link v2.0.9. You click download, you download the version. With that you are gonna to download this, the CPP pedal firmware 2.0.7. So you download both the files and you just go here, you launch the program, and when the installation is complete you have this page. Now what do you need to do with the firmware file? You just go in the firmware updates section, click on the firmware update section, and you are gonna see a different number of versions here. So for example 2.01 or 2.02. Anyway, you just need to click on manual update, and when you are facing this window, click on the reader folder right there, click here, and you go where you download the 2.07 file, the firmware file, select the file, click open, and after that you just gonna click on confirm. You will see a load bar and the firmware will be updated. Once the load bar is done, here probably will be not be updated, but you just need to click on launch control, re-click on firmware update, and you wanna see the current firmware version correctly. Now keep in mind that every time you do a firmware update, your pedal need to be recalibrated. So after that you done it, go on calibration and recalibrate all your pedals. Okay, now for update to the new firmware, new software version, you need to just do a little simple passage. I have already done it in the Italian version of this tutorial, so you are gonna see everything already installed, but nothing crazy. You will need to go again on the Conspit download section and download the Conspit link version 2.0 v1.0.5, and you download it, and you already okay. Now you download in the firmware version, you download the version 2.12. So after you have done it, you go on your home, close the Conspit software 2.0.9, and after you have done it, start the installation with this new installation pack that you download. You just tell to Windows to do the installation because it thinks it's a malicious program and blah blah blah. When the installation is done, you will see this page of the software, okay? And you will see down here version 2.07, okay? Now, the important part is to open the CPP Lite firmware, and you will see in the inside one readme file. And there is one thing that is really important. You need to select, in our cases, the Conspit link file, because the DFU file is only for the software 2.0.9 or inferior previous version. So, in our cases, we are gonna take the conspit.link file and grab it and put it on the desktop, in my case, or in the folder you prefer it to be. Now, once you have done it, you just simply click on this little arrow right here in the left side, in the left corner. You click on it, you go on this arrow here, and you select your file. Once you selected it, as the previous version of the software, you click confirm and the update of the new firmware will start. Once it's finished, the board will disconnect and reconnect to your PC, and you will see version 2.1.2, and that is it. You just need to recalibrate again all your pedals because, as I said before, they are discalibrated, and you are done. This is the update, and I hope this video helped you, and see you in the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. This video was possible thanks to TZ Sim project, just because he sold all these pedals in Italy with warranty, and also a really big thanks to Dario that have the VRTG racing sim server on Discord that have done all the testing and preparation for this installation process. Also, you can get free shipping from TZ thanks to his discount coupon that is here in overlay where GT is paid, and there is also down in the comment. Thanks again and see you in the next video.